Today, I am going to demonstrate how you can transform a small, low-resolution photo into a stunning 4K image. With just a single click, Hypic enables you to effortlessly edit such photos. Therefore, without any further delay, let's get started right away. Alright friends, today we'll be using Hypic for our editing session. Ensure your phone's internet is on and watch the video in full screen to follow along properly. I'll demonstrate how to download the app at the end. Now I've opened Hypic. So first you need to open Hypic on your device and then you can see, click here. Click here to select a photo, so I've taken this photo. Here you can see, I have this screenshot.
So I took this photo and then you'll see a lot of editing tools here. Little click on adjust here.
Next, you will need to slide all the way to the end on this side where you will find a tool named Enhance. Once you locate it, you should click on it to proceed with the enhancement process. You'll be amazed by how much the light in the photo is enhanced. As you can see here, the photo is now ready. Next, I will zoom in to show you the extent of the light enhancement. So, once you have navigated to this site, you need to click here to start enhancing the photo. After clicking, you will need to wait for a short while, and you will notice that the photo quality will improve significantly, transforming into full high definition resolution. You can clearly observe the difference. The clarity of the photo has significantly improved. Next, you will need to slide to this side. Here, you can see the crop option. Click on it to proceed. Remove any unnecessary parts of the photo to clean it up. You can also resize the photo by clicking on expand. Adjust the size to your preference. This way, you can easily increase or decrease the photo size. For this example, I'm setting it to 2.5 times. This way, you can increase or decrease the size here, so I'm setting it to 2.5 times. Next, you need to click on the prompt option that you see here. You have the choice to either provide a prompt or skip this step. In this instance, I am entering a prompt here. After pasting the prompt, you should click Allow to proceed. The 3D photo will be ready and appear here, created by AI. You'll be amazed at how beautifully it can be edited. As you can see, the 3D photo has appeared. Click here to view the 3D photo in more detail. You can see how well the background complements the dress. It enhances its overall look. You can view 3 different dresses here. Each has its own unique charm. So, at this point, you have the option to choose any photo that you prefer, and you can see how beautifully it matches with the background and other elements. Now, I will proceed to select a photo and then click on the Apply button to move forward with the editing process. Next, you need to click OK here, and then you will see the Enhance option located at the top of the screen. Click on it to further enhance the photo, which will significantly improve its quality, bringing it up to a 4K resolution. Take a look here. To download the app, I have created an easy-to-follow tutorial video for you. By watching the video, you will be able to download the app without any difficulty. I will provide the link in the I button so you can easily access it. After that, click here and save the app to your gallery. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell button for more stylish editing tips. See you in the next video. Take care everyone.